Oh, I'm sorry.
It just took us a century to push the play button.
Okay, we're on a pile of wood chips. I don't know who thought of putting a bunch of wood chips down.
Yeah, that's our house right there.
His new house, we'll be doing a house tour probably next, but I don't know. Maybe I want to be here for it because I love giving
I'm
house
covering
tours.
my knee on the sticking license plate of the truck right behind me.
Oh.
Yeah, but hey guys, it's Kids Vlog, and today we're gonna be making
some slime. Why did you get water?
to drink.
That is hot. That is gonna be. If you spit it over there, spit it over there, spit it back there.
No, I'm not gonna spit it.
Well, you just put it on. Okay. Okay, now I'm definitely not drinking that.
Ew!
Dude, okay, just
Watch
put it
this,
over
watch
there.
this, watch it.
Okay, but remember, we need to pick that up.
You gotta.
Okay, so what you need first is glue.
What about a cup?
Yeah, so you need a cup
I mean,
and a
corn.
spoon, or if you have a bowl, that would work better, but we don't have any paper bowls.
Yeah, so we're using a sticking cup.
Oh, and by the way, if I ever say, like, I'm not acting like it, but that is like my new house, but it's actually his house. Stop doing that. Okay, so grab me a bottle of glue, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. So put this whole thing in.
I called the clear one.
There's no more clear ones.
Okay. First
Okay.
thing you want to do. Oh, your cup is not even. You got to make a hole. Anyway, guys, we have our glue, and we're gonna put it in our cup.
Yeah. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to put all of it in because it's a cup and not a bowl, but we'll try. And we're sorry, Melissa, his mom, was having a nice going, Nathan.
I looked at the camera, and the license plate was showing, so I backed up, and the freaking glue got on my pants.
Nice. Just blur it out.
I don't know how to.
Okay, I think that is good.
I'm just not gonna move, because it'll get worse.
Here, I know. Just take a wood chip and scrape it up. And I'm sorry if that doesn't work. Okay, so yeah, now you can put this aside. And then when you have it all filled, I think that's good, Nathan. Ooh, woohoo!
Smell. Oh!
Oh! Okay.
Do me. Do me.
Oh! Okay, well, I mean, you can always add more, but you
Now-
can't take it out.
Now, you're gonna wanna.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm doing it. Now you want to stir. I'm sorry, I started it already. And it's
can't
already working.
We're gonna add blue slime.
So we don't really even need food coloring.
This is gonna be a fast video.
Yeah, we're sorry. But I have a YouTube channel now. He will be on it. So will Ava from another
From another dimension.
No, she's awesome. She will be in some of the videos as well. Poop.
That's way too much, Megan.
I know.
Look at this.
Oh, ooh,
Now I got tied on my pants.
amazing! Hey, now you can make slime on your pants. That's just
Freaking
amazing.
towels. Freaking extra cup. freaking cup I dumped water. I just can't breathe.
And once it starts getting to this consistency, you have slime, but you also need to.
This is why we did it not inside, because I spilled wood chips all over me, glue, and the Tide.
But I mean, we would have.
Good thing I'm gonna have to use that Tide to clean my pants anyway. So don't ask why I'm wearing long pants in the summer.
It's
We
kind
haven't
of
done
chilly
laundry.
because it's been raining
True,
and the sun
true.
isn't out.
The sun is not
So
out.
yeah, if we start rushing in, we are sorry.
It's
starting
raining.
to rain. It would be starting to rain, and of course now your dad is gonna mow the lawn.
Every time. Every time.
Every time we try and make a video.
Guys, remember that one video where the gum challenge? My dad was freaking messing everything
Whenever
up.
we're outside, that's why we always want to go inside. Okay, that is a
Where's yours
lot
look
of.
like?
Do you need more?
No! I got enough, girl. Oh my god!
Okay, let's put that back before it spins. Okay.
It's not even the camera, you stupid.
Oh, good. Her license plate showed. Okay, and just use your hands. I almost said use your slime. No, use your hands.
Whoa! Cutie pie is the greatest time. Yeah, oh, I got a wood chip in mine.
I got glue in mine. Oh no! PewDiePie is the greatest Tide. We're sorry, PewDiePie.
It's sticky.
Yeah. Hey, shouldn't I be the one that's oh, halfway there.
Oh my god, Dad! I need to give away some stress.
PewDiePie is the greatest Tide. Good Tide on your clothes or in your nose.
Just make sure you are
Close
not
to-
wearing clothes. Tide.
But this is so like pretty.
I don't like it.
I like it. It's just like
Let me feel yours.
oh.
Great.
No, because mine is not done. And just keep on working at it. PewDiePie. Oh, dang it, Nathan.
PewDiePie is the greatest Tide.
We literally just made that up, so.
Slime. We gotta do it at the same time, so we're gonna use this for the intro at the beginning of the video. Ready? Set. Slime. To the gas.
Oh, mine is good! Mine is really nice.
Mine's not.
No!
Dad, come on! Woo! I'm a slime!
Yeah, but this is slime.
No, I'm not done yet.
No!
Dad! Ah!
Ow!
Whoa!
Yeah, but if you don't like the feeling of it, you can put it into a balloon.
But if you don't like the feeling of balloons, well, I'm sorry.
Put it in a water balloon.
Oh my God, Dad, you're not even mowing the stinking lawn.
Oh! I felt the raindrop as well.
Hey guys, look, mine turned into slime.
I did too.
Ready, set, slime. Ew!
Okay, yep. That's coming towards us, so, yeah, we will. Great. You're just amazing, Nathan.
I got it.
Oh, Nathan. There's gonna be slime on the chips now.
That's garbage. That's garbage. And that's garbage.
Okay,
Yay!
now he's mowing the lawn. Ow. Okay, yeah. So be sure to go over to my channel. We're gonna be making some more slime, pretty much the same slime, but
In the exact same spot.
so let's get on
Slime!
with the video. I mean, what the heck?
I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below. Watch your videos. Good thing you guys live.
Oh, I'm just amazing. And this is Kids for Life signing off. Bye! You gotta touch the button.
No, I ain't touching no button.
Feel rain.
1, 2, 3, nose goes.
That's not
1, 2, 3.
old fashioned way.
I lost.